Hi guys, welcome to today's Battle of the Foundations, and today we are trying the Touch and Soul Advanced Real Moisture Foundation. So if you want to see how this turned out, you're in the right place. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button down below. Make sure you also hit the bell notification. That way you'll be notified when I upload new videos. That's every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and every Thursday is a different foundation video. So without further ado, if you want to see how this performs, just keep watching. Hi guys, welcome to today's Battle of the Foundations. Well, again, we're going to be trying out by Touch and Soul their Advanced Real Moisture Foundation. Now, you can pick this up on Amazon. Unfortunately, Sephora doesn't sell their foundation, but they do sell their primer. Speaking of which, if you've watched my channel for any period of time, you will know that I absolutely love their No Problem primer. Get that? No problem. This stuff is absolutely great, and it does a wonderful job of just diminishing the appearance of the pores on your face. So let's talk about this foundation just a little bit. I have had this for quite a while, and I'm shocked I haven't even done a review on it yet. So again, you can pick it up on Amazon. It runs about $20, just depending, you know, Amazon will change their prices a little bit. But it only comes in 2 shades. I have number 21 Nude Beige, and the next color up is number 23, and that is Natural Beige. That's all they make. So don't go looking for other shades. They just don't have it. This is very lightweight. It's very hydrating for your skin. It's buildable. It has an SPF of 30 in it, which I absolutely love getting that in my skincare program. So let's read up a little bit about this, because they've got some pretty high claims about it. So this is a lightweight hydrating foundation. Elevate your skin to flawlessness with this feather light foundation. Buildable. Even with layering, this moisturizing formula will help you get a natural finish in a minimal amount of time. I think they meant to say, it says Tim, but I think they meant time. No creasing. The creamy, thick texture of this formula will give you a healthy, dewy look that stays smooth all day long. Say goodbye to apparent fine lines and unaesthetic creasing separating. Don't know who wrote this. And then it says it's tested and approved, one of the most recommended foundations by professional Korean makeup artists. So it's made in Korea, so this is a K-beauty product. So I have gone in and I have moisturized my skin. I have applied my primer using the Touch and Soul. I have not under eye color corrected, so let me get all my stuff laid out and I'll be right back. Yes, I look funny right now, but we're going to fix that with the foundation. So this comes with a pump on it. It's a glass bottle. You get 1.01 fluid ounces. And as always, I'll use a sponge on one side and a brush on the other. So this is indeed a very, very thick formula. Oh, I have an orange knuckle. And let's go in and tap that in with the sponge. This is a little light for me when I'm tan. I should probably, for next summer, get the next color up. Yeah, I agree when they say that this is a lightweight finish. As thick as it is, it feels very light on the skin, and it is indeed very hydrating. They don't have any claims about it being either full coverage or medium coverage, but I say it's a full coverage foundation. Okay, so that is the side with the sponge. Now let's move on to the brush. Whoa. I don't know that I've even used this with the brush before. I think I've always used my sponge. I may have applied too much with the brush. That definitely gives you more coverage. If I'm looking really washed out, I apologize. My camera's been doing some weird things the last couple of days. My color kind of goes in and out. I've been playing around to see what is doing that. I don't know. I'm just not a camera person. I don't know all that stuff, and I probably should take some courses. Or at least watch a YouTube video or two on it, huh? All right, let's get a good close-up look at this. It looks so good, you guys. It really does. Now, I definitely need to build it up a little more in here, but I think I could probably go in with what's left on my brush and build that up. Yeah, I like the coverage better with the brush. I do need just a teeny bit more. Teeny bit. I don't even know if this is supposed to be good for like dry skin, oily skin. I will do a bit more research and leave a little note right down here so you will know. All right, guys, this is what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and kind of zoom in, take a few pictures, and then I will do the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back, and this is the finished look now that I have all my makeup completed. I have to say this is a beautiful foundation. I love the way it feels. I love the way it looks. Here, got to get a little close-up look here. So indeed, it just looks beautiful. It's not settling into anything on my forehead, just very lightly in my smile lines. Doesn't emphasize my pores. And it dried down. I did have to use powder on it. I always do powder when I do my Battle of the Foundations, just because I keep everything the same in the videos, but you do want to definitely powder this one because it is kind of on the tacky side. That's because it's so thick and moisturizing, but it doesn't shift, doesn't move around on your face. I've worn this numerous times before, and I just absolutely love the look and feel of this one. My only complaint is that there's only 2 colors. So if you are close to my skin color, then you'll want to get number 21. If you're darker, you want to go up to 23. So I'll leave a link below to that on Amazon, as well as a link, or links, I should say, for all the other products that I'm wearing as well. But I highly recommend this one. Again, it's a great price, and a little bit goes a long way. As you saw, I overused too much on one side when I used the brush, so I actually discovered I like it better, even better with the brush, and I had always used a sponge before, so I'm glad I gave that a little test. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make sure that you hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoy foundation videos, please give this a thumbs up. And if you have any comments, questions, concerns, any suggestions at all, there's a place right down below that you can leave me any comments as well. So until next time, you guys, I love you all, and bye-bye.